Good morning, Bears. I'm Saul, and welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, and today is the last day for juniors to register for your courses for next year. Sophomores register Thursday through next Wednesday, and freshmen register February 18th to the 24th. Think about your CTE electives, as this is Career and Technical Education Month, which promotes our career and technical education to prepare students for successful careers in various fields. This is CTE Spirit Week. Today is CTE Strand Day, and tomorrow is Hats Off to CTE, so wear your favorite hat. February is also National School Counseling Week, so wish your counselors a happy week. This past Saturday, Kingston Flemings put up 31 points, Javante Johnson 16, and Camden Cowgill 14, as our Bears basketball team dominated the court in their 109-20 win over Holmes. Tomorrow they face Stevens at 8 p.m. at the Northside Sports Gym. BFND Bears. Also, this past Friday, our Lady Bears basketball team in their senior game scored their 6th consecutive win by beating the Taft Lady Bears 52-32. Today, the ladies play their last district game at 5 p.m. at the Harlan District Gym. BFND ladies, and kudos to all the seniors. Genevieve Diedrich scored the 2 goals in our Lady Bears soccer team 2-0 win against Stevens this past Saturday. Liliana Contreras had 3 saves and Mia King had 2. Tomorrow, they face the Taft Lady Raiders at the Fair Soccer Stadium at 5 p.m. BFND ladies. Christian Banda scored 2 goals with Josh Soto, Axel Parra, and Aysen Farias, each adding goals in a 5-1 win against Stevens this past Saturday. And Aaron Godlowski had 12 saves in that game. They go up against Taft tomorrow at Fair Soccer Stadium at 7 p.m. BFND Bears. Student Council will have its first February meeting today at 4:35 in the LGI. They plan on a Valentine's-themed meeting. And teachers, leave your recycling bin outside your classroom for Student Council officers and members to pick up. Thursday, UTSA representatives will be at the Career Center during all the lunch periods for an application workshop. This is a great chance to get help and complete your application to become a Roadrunner. Take advantage. Our PTSA wants to highlight February is Children's Dental Health Month, and during the lunch periods, join them in the LGI to learn about dental health. Stop by and take a photo with the tooth mascot, San Antonio orthodontist. Finally, let's highlight our FCCLA teams who had 10 teams compete at regionals last Thursday and Friday, with 4 teams making it to the state competition in April. Congrats to the entrepreneurship team of Jaden Green and Antonio Johnson capturing first place. The chapter and review team placed second, and the fashion design and the job interview teams each placed third. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X and also look for us on Instagram at BTV Bears. You can also catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Saul, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, get engaged in learning, and evolve every day.